Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make macaroni, but it has an Indian touch to it. So let's get it started. Here I have taken a bowl of macaroni, some coriander leaves, butter, onions finely chopped, green chilies finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, and zira, cumin seeds. So here I have my pan. To that I'm going to add a generous amount of salt and 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil. And now we are going to stir it well and wait for the water to come to a boil. So the water has come to a boil. Now we are going to add the macaroni. Now you have to check कि आपके macaroni को या फिर कोई भी पास्ता कितना टाइम चाहिए. You have to check the packet. Now my macaroni needs 4 to 5 minutes of cooking. So I'll boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. And my macaroni looks done. I'm going to drain it and wash it with cold water. After that, a drizzle of oil so that the macaroni doesn't stick to each other. Now I have the pan here. To that I'm going to add some oil, cumin seeds. Now I don't really like the idea of white sauce pasta. Iसीलिए this is my version of macaroni. And I really enjoy it. To that I'm going to add onions that are finely chopped. थोड़ा सा इसमें कलर आएगा onions में. You fry it for like 30 seconds and you add the garlic. See, here you don't have to wait for the garlic to leave its raw smell because I like it. So to that I'm going to add a cube of butter, and now a lot of green chilies. I love the idea of green chilies in my pasta. You can serve this as a breakfast or tiffin, anything. Now to this, once you feel the onions and the chilies are a little softened, you add your macaroni here. Mix it well. Now some salt. If you're using salted butter, then make sure that you don't add a lot of salt because butter has salt in it. So just be careful. उसके बाद थोड़े से और butter. Trust me, it's really good. Please give this a try. And it's smelling very good with all the garlic and onions. Now comes the coriander leaves. Mix it all well. And yeah. And here comes the macaroni with the flying coriander leaves. And looks good, smells good. This is how it looks like. If you guys liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.